Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to share your YouTube channel link on WhatsApp. Really easy to do just on your phones. So first things first, you want to start off in the YouTube application. So you want to go ahead and open that up right now. And then what you're going to need to do is you want to click on your profile in the top right corner, and then just click on your channel, and it'll bring you over to your page right here. And then what you want to do is you want to click on the 3 dots in the top right corner one more time. And then you want to click on share, and then click on copy link. And then we want to exit out of here and head over to our WhatsApp application, open that up. Then all you want to do is go to a chat where you want to send this off to. So I'll go ahead and send it off to this chat right here. Then all you want to do is just long press and paste on the little chat box option. And then it'll send the link over to the WhatsApp account that you sent it to. And then they're able to click on it and they'll be able to open up to your YouTube page. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you how to share your YouTube channel link on WhatsApp. If it was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.